Welcome back to Fahrenheit Motorsports. I do have a surprise for you guys. It is in this package right here. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is. Just a small little item for the vehicle over here. But let me open it up, show you guys exactly what it is. Alright guys, so package from Crux Motorsports. Shout out to Boosted Whips. I actually used the homies code to get the discount on this. Some of you guys have been commenting. I get the damn box open. Some of you guys have been commenting and messaging me, telling me that this is definitely one of the upgrades that I needed to do. So let me show you guys exactly what it is. Another sticker, this time in black. Hell yeah, it's going right there. But today I have Crux Motorsports 2018 Honda Accord Window Chrome Delete Gloss Black. So let me show you guys something. On my vehicle, I obviously do not have the Chrome Delete. A lot of you guys have been commenting saying that that is the one thing that I need to take care of. I agree with you, I don't like the chrome. So this is one of the items that I'm definitely gonna take care of. It will essentially remove every bit of chrome on the vehicle. So as you can see, this area is chrome, the rest of it's black. All chrome throughout there. So this, again, this kit allows me to cover up that chrome there. So it should be a simple process. I mean, the vinyl's already cut, measured, whole 9 yards. Crux Motorsports, they did all that for us. Literally all you do is take off the corresponding piece and you wrap it. So there's gonna be one for this section right here. There'll be one for this section right here. And then also one for this big ass section right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of it. If you can put two and two together, if you're a smart person, you can figure out it's just enough pieces to cover this side right here and the driver's side. I'm gonna pull the vehicle out in the sun so you guys can actually take a look at the vehicle in the sun. So it's not kind of dark here in the garage. I have both vehicles in at the time. And then we're just gonna get it installed. So I'm gonna have you guys recording and we're gonna get this installed. Now Crux Motorsports, of course, they did choose a good vinyl. You can actually see here, it is Avery Dennison. So it's gonna be a quality product. You know it's gonna stick to the chrome there. Be very wary of other companies that sell lesser quality vinyl. I mean, I've talked to you guys about it before multiple times for the trunk, for these fender emblems right here, and also for the Honda badge in the front. Use a good vinyl, otherwise it's not gonna last, and you know, you're doing additional work. So let's pull the vehicle out and we'll get started with this. So this is the vinyl laid out. As you can see, it is easily marked. P is for passenger side, D is for driver's side, so you know exactly what goes where. These are those long arcing pieces. This goes at the very back. Pretty easy to tell which one it is. This one's for the passenger side. This would be the second piece just after this, and then this is the long arc that would go after it. So this is what it looks like all laid out. Again, Crux Motorsports did a fantastic job packaging it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Here is a sample piece of the vinyl so that you can see what it's actually like. Again, it's Avery Dennison, so it's pretty good quality. We're gonna go ahead and spray it down now with the isopropyl alcohol, 70%, and we're gonna get this applied. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the camera stand, and we're gonna go through the process of getting this installed. Okay, so here's piece number one. You can see, if you look very closely, there's some overhang of the vinyl right here. I'm going to clean that up with a razor blade. There's a little bit down here too. So pretty much they give you enough vinyl to make sure that you're covering the entire strip of chrome. Again, there's a piece right here. So I would think, you know, obviously it's cut out, it's cut to shape, but if you've ever worked with vinyl before, it's pretty malleable, so it stretches, it does what it needs to, so it's not a bad thing, definitely not a bad thing at all. You want to be able to make sure that you can cover every square inch of this. If they cut a piece of vinyl that was meant to fit on this and it wasn't stretchable and it left you with some exposed chrome, you'd probably be about it. So personally, I'd rather have it like this, where this, obviously with a slight razor blade through some of these grooves, than to worry about not having enough product. So that's number one. I'm going to go ahead and start applying the rest of section 2 and then section 3, and then we're going to go through the process of cleaning up the extra pieces. So let's apply this. All right, boys, here it is. So basically all I've done is, in some areas I did use the knife to cut, but for the most part I just tucked it inside of the rubber seals. So this is the final product on the passenger side. Gotta say, it looks pretty good. Now let's look at the driver's side for comparison. Done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is complete. Project complete. I'm just gonna wipe it down, get all the fingerprints off. It was easier than what I thought. Once you get the first side going, again, it's up to you if you want to be cutting, you know, bits and pieces of it. At the end of the day, you can probably just tuck the vinyl underneath the rubber seals and be done with it. So this is the final product. What do you guys think? All black now, no more chrome, exactly what you guys asked for, and you got it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you think it sucks, well, shit, I can't do anything about that, but if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. In the meantime, like I said, this is Fahrenheit Motorsports.